In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a locked-on speed ramp in DaVinci Resolve 19. The first step of this effect is to open your clip in Fusion. Press Shift plus Space to open up this effect menu. Search Tracker. Place the tracker on a high contrast point on the car. The point should also be as close to the middle of the clip as possible. Change adaptive mode to Best Match and track the video. Once the tracking is done, go over to Operation and change Operation Mode to Match Move. Change Merge to Background Only. Open the Effect Finder again and find Transform. Make a keyframe for center on the first frame. Move to the last frame and reposition the clip so there is no transparent edges. Increase the scale a little bit if there is edges visible throughout the clip. Open the Effect Finder once again and find Grid. Go over to Inspector and change both row and column cells to 4. Decrease the horizontal and vertical lines' width as much as you can. On the first frame, adjust the values so the point you tracked is in the middle of the screen. Use the grid as a guide. Once done, move to the last frame and recenter the video. Now, as you can see, the point you tracked stays on the middle of the screen. Make sure there are no transparent edges visible on the clip. If you have, make sure to cover them by zooming in or changing the edges to mirror. If you are zooming in, make sure to recenter the clips if necessary. Delete the grid node. Go back to Editing page and compound clip the video. Open it in the Fusion page and add Time Stretcher. Make sure the starting keyframe is in the first frame. By adjusting it, you can determine how fast the speed ramp is. For example, go forward 80 frames. Look at the number on the last frame. In my case, it's 490, so I will change the source time to that. Now we've got a sped-up clip. To make it a speed ramp, open Spline window. Click on the time stretcher and then this icon. Highlight both of the points and then press S on your keyboard to smooth it out. Copy the look of my graph. My speed ramp is way too slow, so I will drag on this keyframe to speed it up even more. Also make the ramp steeper. Now it's better. Go to the point where the movement ends and cut the clip. Delete the rest. That's basically it.